All right, I'm going to walk through problem 4.48a and part B using Excel. So part A deals with the negative binomial distribution. You can read about it if you would like to. It is in your text. It is on page 160. Basically what it does for us is it tells us the probability of observing some success on the blank trial. So for this problem here, we want the success to be on the third question. So we want the first success to be on the third question. So let's go ahead and compute that. So I'm going to have Excel do the negative binomial distribution. And how this takes the value is it takes a number of failures. Well, if it's the third question that she gets right, that means she got the first two wrong. So that's 2 failures. So I'll type that in. The number of successes is 1. The probability of success is 0.25 because it's a B, C, D multiple choice test. So there's a 1/4 chance that she gets it right, and then this is false. So the first question she gets right is on the third question is going to be about 14% chance of that happening. Yeah. Okay. That's it. If we want to look at part B, she gets exactly 3 or 4 questions right. If I type in binomial distribution, this one, I want the number of successes. That's 3 successes. The total number of trials here are 5 because it's a quiz with 5 questions. The probability of getting any one right is 0.25. We don't want it to be cumulative because we only want to know the probability she gets the third one right, so I'll say false. I also want to know the probability she gets 4 right, so I'll take this and paste it here. I'll paste it here. Let me try that again. There you go. I want this to be 4. So there is about a 9% chance she gets 3 right and about a 1% chance she gets 4 right. We want to know the probability of her getting 3 or 4 right. So I'll say x equals 3 or x equals 4. It's a little bit bigger. So all I have to do is add these two together. So take this, sum this, 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 colon, this. So it's about a 10% chance that she gets that right.